If you're a maintenance service manager, you want to deliver the best service for your clients. But staying on top of paper documents, spreadsheets and emails takes up all your time. You're always on the phone, chasing colleagues to find out how tasks are progressing. It would be much easier to have everything in one place, updated in real time by the staff actually dealing with it. Serfy is made to help maintenance service managers like you serve clients better. When a task arises, clients or colleagues simply add it to the platform. Our single window design lets you manage and distribute tasks to the best suited workers in seconds. Monitor real-time task and status updates from field workers to keep SLA promises to customers. You can even automate task assignments by creating staff responsibilities for clients, objects, or particular services. Create your standards and become paperless. Everything's at your fingertips in your phone or PC. That's why Serfy is adopted by those in property management, engineering systems maintenance, utilities, and much more. Serfy is simple and easy to use, integrates with other software, keeps data safe and anonymous. Clients stay informed so they know you're responding to their needs. Serfy is the perfect tool for maintenance professionals like you. Visit our website and get your free demo today.